So here's the situation. The traffic light, this one is not working.
Oh, now it works, but let's see, it works for 10 seconds.
Look,
And it works
there's a turn.
every third time only.
Thank God. We did it.
After 20 minutes.
Yeah, after 20 minutes basically of waiting. Unbelievable.
All this torture just because I didn't listen to you, you know, I should have stayed at home.
Remember I told you?
God, it's ice.
Yeah, careful, Mahal. Just drive slowly.
Such a stress.
Mama, if it's still snowing tomorrow or the snow is very high, I'm not going to school.
Yeah, we can stay home together
But I have my dentist
in the afternoon. Well, do you think they can also drive to their office if it's bad?
No.
There's the cleaner there coming to the highway.
Cleaner my ass.
Just position yourself, Mahal, to the other thing there. So this is the other highway who's not being
The
cleaned.
worst.
The worst one. I had a traumatic experience here. That's why I don't want to drive anymore
No lights, no nothing.
during snowstorm because the snow is up to my tire and then you cannot turn right or left. I almost peed in my pants. So life here at Canada, guys, is not really easy, okay?
I'd rather be in Cebu.
But my husband is an expert driver. He has no fear at all.
Yeah.
That's what I admired him most, you know? Like no fear.
Yeah, right, no fear. Yeah. It's not true. I feel like a chicken in front of a fox.
Are you going to work tomorrow? I hope tomorrow is not a deja vu. Like 2 years ago, we cannot get out of our driveway because we got stuck. And even the snow cleaner, Mahal, remember, got stuck. 2 of them.
I don't like the car behind me because I will need to turn to the left and then brake. And it keeps close to me. Like never-ending highway, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, me and you.
And I'll take a shot.
A shot? Your stress reliever after stress.
Shot?
Shot of something, whiskey or tequila. Because the stress level of Papa right now is 10.
Where did it turn?
Soon. There.
I'm so lucky that there are no cars.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Almost home, guys. We can now breathe.
Not yet.
We can say that we survived.
Mama, today is such a rush hour.
Yeah?
Houston ride?
So you went out with Gabby?
I came before
So what we basically did now, 45 minutes of stupid drive,
Wasting time.
wasting gas, time, nerves.
Whose
Yeah.
fault?
Marisol. Because you want to practice.
Papa wanted me. It's your fault.
It's nobody's fault, okay? It's a joke.
That's not a joke.
Look at this strong gust wind gust.
70.
70 kilometer.
I'm tired of the car behind me, huh?
Look at the mini cars.
Yeah, it will be dilemma. Behind me.
He's going home. The same route with us.